We represent Troop 2290.
And we will be performing First Fireworks.
Written by Broun. Thank you.
Mom, what are you doing here? Dad's going out of his mind.
He'll be all right.
The whole hospital's turned upside down. Everybody's looking for you.
But you're the only one that found me. Shouldn't you be at your party?
I was until Dad had called me and told me you'd vanished.
He will be annoyed.
Who? Dad?
No. What's his name?
You know his name, Mom.
Do I? What is it again? Gordon? Garen. That's it. Sounds like some kind of rash.
He's my cousin.
More fool you. Garen reminds me too much of someone else.
Who?
My husband.
Dad's all right.
You tried being married to him for 40 years.
Come on, Mom. We better get you back.
I'm not going back.
Don't be silly, Mom. Come on.
Helen, I'm not going back. I hate that awful room full of all of those things. People keep ringing me and saying, "Can I bring you anything?" And I say, "Don't bring me any more things. I don't want any more things." Beautiful clothes. They look expensive.
They are. I guess Gorman's good for one thing.
Maybe two. How did you work it out where I was?
New Year's Eve. Where else would you be?
My chair, my view. Surprised you remembered where it was.
Come on, Mom. It hasn't been that long.
5 years.
5? Really? I remember when you first brought me here. I was 8 years old.
Long time ago.
20 years. I remember it like it was yesterday. We got here just as the sun was going down. My little legs got so tired you had to carry me up the last 50 steps. And I kept asking, "What is it, Mom? What are we going to see?" And you just smiled and said, "We're going to my chair, the best view in the city."
I remember.
And I kept asking, "But what is it that we're going to see?" You didn't answer then. You just put your finger to my lips and said,
"You'll see, my love."
And then when it got dark, you pointed to the sky and said, "Look!" And suddenly, the sky was full of light. Huge explosions of color. Orange, pink, blue, green, and noise. Terrible noise. I had to cover my ears, the explosions were so loud. I'll never forget it, looking up at that clear night sky, the color and the stars, the muffled explosions ringing in my ear. It was my first fireworks.
You never forget your first fireworks.
Did you ever bring Dad here?
No. As much as I loved your father, I needed to keep something to myself, and this was mine. My chair, my fireworks.
But you brought me here.
Back when I thought of us, it wasn't like we were separate people. We were the same person, and so it made sense to bring you here. I knew it would mean the same to you that it did to me. Maybe I thought you needed to see it.
Do you still think that? That we are one person?
Sometimes. I knew you would come. I wanted it to be just us again. Our 20th anniversary fireworks.
It's not fair to Dad. He should be here too.
I've said my goodbyes to him. Besides, 40 years of being a wife, 30 years of being a mother, it's about time to just be me. Helen, these are my last fireworks. If I can't play favorites now, when can I? Can I tell you something?
Of course.
Big secret. Biggest secret ever. Never been told before.
Tell me.
Not even your father knows.
Cross my heart and hope to die.
Before you were born, I wanted a boy.
Mom.
But once I saw you, once you came out, and I saw the child you were, the woman you were becoming, I got down on my hands and knees, and I thanked God for sending me such a gift. I am so lucky to have you as my daughter. Promise me something?